Happy birthday, Johnny!
Thank you, Dave.
This is Johnny. Johnny's never been good with names.
Well, hey, Karen, and hey,
Darren, your nephew.
my man, Daryl.
But today
Thank you all
is
for
Johnny's
being here,
lucky day,
Karen, Donnie,
because he's about to receive the
Dave,
gift of a
and
lifetime.
of course, you again.
Kami doorbell camera with face recognition lets you know exactly who's at the door.
It's so easy to install. You could hardwire it, or you could just use,
Batteries?
batteries.
I'm telling you guys,
I mean, I don't
every
understand
single
why.
dope.
I mean, I
understand
cannot
you guys
believe
don't
it.
understand.
We're taking his gift back.
I will not
You know what?
stand
No,
this
we're not
anymore.
going
You
to do
guys
this again
are
next year. We're
this
gonna-
Hey, what's happening, Janet? It's my friend Janet.
Kami doorbell camera. Smart home security right at your door.